Welcome to the fascinating world of the bird of paradise, a creature renowned for its breathtaking beauty and extraordinary courtship rituals. Ensure you're subscribed and have the bell on for more amazing content. Let's kick things off. Found primarily in the dense rainforests of Papua New Guinea and surrounding islands, the birds of paradise belong to the family Paradiseidae. One of the most mesmerizing aspects of the bird of paradise is its elaborate mating ritual, known as the Samaa dance. During the mating season, male birds of paradise transform into dancing virtuosos, using their vibrant feathers and unique choreography to attract potential mates. Each species of bird of paradise has its own signature dance, with movements ranging from graceful spins to energetic leaps. The male's vibrant plumage, combined with its rhythmic movements, creates a spectacle unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. The Samaa dance not only serves as a way for males to attract mates, but also allows them to establish dominance and territory within their habitat. The diversity of these dances reflects the incredible biodiversity of the rainforest they inhabit. So, the next time you find yourself in the heart of a tropical rainforest, keep an eye out for the mesmerizing Samaa dance of the magnificent bird of paradise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos.